Hi there, I'm Kristin and I am the vocal releaser. And in this video, we are going to talk about resonance. We are going to talk about resonance in our bodies. But first, I want to demonstrate resonance through something that I have in my kitchen. And I notice sometimes when I put it aside, it makes like a singing bowl sound. Let's see what it is. It's my cooking pot. Let's hear the sound of it. The sound is something. Ooh. If the ooh that I'm saying is the same frequency, the same sound as my pot, it will make the pot vibrate. And when it vibrates, it makes a sound. So let's see if I can do it. Okay. Ooh. You hear? Ooh. Let's try another frequency, a higher one if it still will resonate. It doesn't resonate in the same way as ooh. It makes it sing, okay? That's so cool. This was my bigger pot and it made a lower frequency, okay? Now my smaller kitchen pot, this is my smaller. And if I tap it, it makes it so if this one resonates with it will start singing. Okay. And this is exactly the same thing that happens in your body. So we have resonators in our body. We have the pharynx, the larynx, the nasal cavity, and the oral cavity. And the specific sounds will resonate with specific areas in your body. Okay? So if I say, for example, I can feel like it's resonating here. If I say, it resonates more in my throat. That's where it's vibrating the most, okay? And now I can feel the resonance in the pharynx. And you can move around the resonance in your body by moving your jaw and your tongue. The position of the tongue, so it bounces off different places. So if the having more of a nasal resonance. Okay? That's how you can use the resonance to make different types of sounds when you are creating your style of music. If you want to be a little bit more nasal, you can hear that it's nasal because if I do the sound change, so you know that it's over here. Then you be then you're more here, then more in the pharynx. And if you sing all the natural sounds, you can, on the same resonant level, because if you change the resonant level, you won't get the same effect, but you can get this round sound. It's like this sound of a singing bowl. Okay? So we say, can you hear? Almost there. And then so you can play with it. When you're at it, why don't you try your kitchen pot and see, maybe I have a singing bowl I didn't know that I had in my house. Okay. If you like this, please like it and then subscribe, because at this channel, we talk about everything that's connected to the voice and the healing of the voice. And you can also follow me on Instagram, on my Instagram page, The Power of Your Voice, where we talk about everything that's connected to the voice and the healing of the voice. And every Monday at 9 p.m. East African time, I go on live and where I share about new understandings that I had on my vocal journey. And I want to hear from you and your struggles or epiphanies or anything connected to the voice. Okay? So see you next time.